Hi guys, welcome back to another quarantine craft. I'm gonna be doing videos in the coming weeks using stuff you already have at home, like really basic stuff. And today we're gonna make a piggy bank. This is the model that we're starting with. I'm using this empty tea box. You can use any small little box or container. And then I've taped on some like toilet paper roll pieces. The bottom are for the legs and the mouth. And then we're gonna do some really basic paper mache. I've got strips of newspaper. I'm gonna do a really basic paper mache paste recipe using glue and water. You could also do flour and water. I'm gonna walk you through it again, all stuff you have at home so that you can put this together really easy. All right, so I've got equal parts white, like Elmer's glue here, with water, and just stir it up. And that's what I'm gonna use for my paper mache. Like I said in the intro, if you don't have white craft glue, you could just do equal parts flour and water. It'll still work, whatever you prefer. This is going to be messy, obviously, so I'm gonna put down some wax paper to work. What we'll do is we'll dip strips of newspaper in here and then drape it over our little box contraption I showed you earlier. All right, so we've covered him all over. We covered his feet and his nose. It was very messy but fun. And now I'm gonna let this dry for a few hours. You want it nice and dry, and then we're gonna paint it. I'm gonna try to help my daughter paint it to look like Ham from Toy Story. We'll see. Okay, so this is our finished product. My daughter painted him pink and we let it dry, and then I just drew on little snout and some eyes, and I taped on construction paper ears. If you're doing a piggy bank, just make sure and cut a hole at the top so you can put your coins. If you don't have all these like supplies, you know, play with it. You could paint it whatever color, make whatever animal you want. But this is just an example of a really easy paper mache you can do at home. Thanks for watching. Hit the red subscribe button if you want to see more easy crafts that you can do while we're all at home using stuff you already have. I will see you guys next time. Bye.